Nice bass right there. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back here to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be hitting the freshwater canal systems and doing some bass fishing. Last time I was here, the bite was great, so we ended up catching some good fish. So we came to another canal system here, and hopefully we'll catch some fish today. So let's hit the water. The kayak is all rigged up, ready to go. Let's hit the water, and hopefully we can catch some fish. So let's go. Come on. Fish on the frog. There we go. Oh yeah. Sweet. There we go. That's not a bad one. Not a bad one. Check it out. Right there. A nice hit. Perfect hook set right there. Check it out. Nice job. Woo. Sweet. Oh, just had a little one chase it right under the shadow line there. But he was small. There has to be a fish under this dock. Let's see. Fish on. There we go. That is not a bad one. Right there. Right there. Not a bad one. Finally, another fish right here. Came off a little Cinco. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Woo. Perfect right there, hooked in the corner of the mouth. A little Cinco always works for these docks. Look at that right there. Nice, nice bass. Alright. Cool. Fish on right there. Okay, little one, little guy right here, but it's a fish. Oh yeah, this is a decent bass right here. This is a decent fish. Oh yeah, decent one right here. Decent one right here. Oh yeah. Come on. Get out of there. Oh. Alright. Check it out. Nice bass right here. Alright, pretty nice one right there. Look at that. Sweet. Let's go ahead and get the release. Came off the Cinco. Cinco's doing really good. Wacky rig. Finally. Oh my god. Oh, first fish in like 30 minutes. Like an hour more like. Check it out. So happy to catch you. Woo. Sweet. Alright guys, so quick little update here. It's definitely been a struggle for the last hour or so. Just pulled in that nice little fish there. Came off of the Zoom Super Fluke here. Been throwing that around, just trying to locate fish. and see what they're doing, because I have not gotten any bites for the last hour or so except that one right there. So we're gonna keep working this and see if we could find some fish. That's a big fish right there. Oh yeah. Woo! I think there was more with him. Oh, I saw a huge wake behind him. Alright. There we go. Nice little one right there. Oh, look at that. It's got like a scar. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so quick update here. We have been working this little canal here with the jerkbait, the Zoom Super Fluke jerkbait, and it has been producing a couple fish. It's slowed down a little bit now, so I'm working the Cinco, seeing if I could get any bites that way. But so far in this canal system, I've been seeing a lot of schools of bait fish and the bass busting on the surface here. So that Zoom Super Fluke works perfect for that application right there. I'm gonna keep working this canal here for a little bit longer, and then I'm planning on starting to head back to the ramp. I'm pretty far from the ramp right now. I would say at least 4 or 5 miles, but I'll start heading back and see if I could fish along the way and catch anything there. So we shall see. Oh my god, I just saw this fish come up and smack it. Fish on. And it's not a bad one at all. Nice bass right there. That's the one we've been looking for all day. That's the one. Oh, okay. Don't come off, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. He is pulling, dragging everything. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. Like a... Oh yeah. That is the bass we've been looking for all day. He is putting a heck of a fight. Oh, yeah. Got him! Look at that thing. Here.
Yeah, no, there's a female, right? That actually.
Pretty nice one.
Nice, that's a nice kayak, man.
Thanks.
I got this. After you run them foot drives, man, you'll never want to get on one of these.
I know, yeah. All right. Fish on. I don't know if that came out on the camera here, but I was dangling the freaking bait off a branch here. Oh my god, that was cool. Little tiny one, but take it. I'll take it. Little guy right there. Little guy. Oh, fish on. Nice little school bass right there. Look at them coming up. Oh my god, you see them? Oh! Look at, look at, look at! Oh my god! Dude, you guys see that? You had 2 bass hitting the same bait. That is crazy. That's so cool, little guy. Alright guys, so we are gonna call it a day. I'm gonna start heading back to the ramp. I got about probably like 40-minute ride back to the ramp here. And yeah, I'll get you guys when I get back to the ramp, and I'm gonna show you guys what we caught the fish today with. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So what's going on? We have made it out of the water here, and it was an absolute awesome day out on the water there. those freshwater canals here are absolutely on fire right now. I came in a couple days ago to another system, caught a ton of bass, and today it was pretty much the same. Didn't catch as many big ones as last time, but we did nail one really nice one, which came off the Cinco, surprisingly. But we threw everything from top water frogs in the morning, got a fish on that, and then later on in the day the bite started slowing down a little bit, but we were able to find some fish. And my main search bait was actually a weedless jerk bait, a Zoom Super Fluke. I was just tossing that around. I was seeing a lot of bait fish, and that was definitely the one that was getting all the hits. I was also throwing the Cinco here and there, especially like on their docks and stuff, and I was getting some good bites there too. But overall, it was a great morning here out on the water. We were able to catch, I would say, at least 10 or 12 bass within just a few hours here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm trying to do as many videos as I can with this entire quarantine thing going on. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. Comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys would like to see. I'm open to ideas and anything new that I could do and put out there for you guys. That'll be awesome. So let me know in the comment section below. And as always, make sure to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.